Hey there friends, welcome to my channel and happy 8 years to Baker Girl Steph. Today we're going to be celebrating by making 3 large letter cakes. It's going to be BGS. They're all going to be rainbow themes since my first upload was rainbow themed. A quick thank you to all of you for supporting this channel, whether it be subscribing, commenting, liking, or whatever. I appreciate it so much. And as always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. I'm going to be using this celebration cake pan or the letters numbers cake pan from Wilton, as well as my own vanilla cake batter. I will be using 6 different colors for this. I will be doing red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I'm going to be dividing my cake batters for this and dyeing them. Each letter in the pan takes about 1 batch of my vanilla cake, so I will leave all of that down below, all my recipes for my cake and my frostings. So this cake will bake at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once I'm done dyeing all my batters, I'm going to get my pan and just start adding this in there. There isn't going to be much talking in this video as it is pretty much just me doing a bunch of different rainbow cakes. So I will do a quick thank you here for everyone that has supported me. I've enjoyed sharing all these recipes throughout these years so much, and it just brings me so much joy to see all the comments from everyone that's made my recipes, whether it be for birthdays or the holidays, and the pictures as well from everyone. Here at this part, I'm now adding my batter to the letter G. I'm just going to be alternating between all 6 colors until I'm done. Again, I used 3 batches, 1 batch per letter to recreate this. You can always make sheet cakes and then just carve out the letters yourself if you want to do letter cakes. I've done a few if you've seen my Disney alphabet cake series. So once I'm done with this letter G, I will be also doing my letter S. Once my cakes have finished baking and chilling, I'm getting all 6 of my frosting bags with different tips. I will leave the tips I use down below, but feel free to experiment, get whatever tips you like to use, and then just alternate colors and designs throughout the cake. You can always do a crumb coat if you like, but for this, I feel like it's just fine to go ahead and put the frosting on top. So just go alternating the color and designs throughout the cake. And we're just going to repeat this with the G and S. Alright, and here's the final S. And here's the final letter. We are now going to be decorating this letter S. Just alternating again real quick. And finally, here is the BGS rainbow cake with the rainbow frosting on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for 8 years together. This has been such an incredible thing I've been able to share with you all. I've shared over 200 recipes with you all as well, and I'm just so thankful for everything throughout all these years. If you'd like to see what else I'm doing on other social media platforms, my links are down below as well. Let me know what's been your favorite recipe in these last 8 years, and until next time, stay sweet.